Because our entire existence has fallen under the curse of sin, evil men, along with the help of Satan, have utilized the sinister technique of divide and conquer, which has caused a multiplicity of denominations. As a result, we find ourselves living in a world filled with many religions, but very few authentic Christians. But take courage, brothers and sisters. Although the American church is slowly becoming apostate, there is a remnant of believers who are waking up to the truth. These are people like you and I who recognize that mainstream Christianity has wandered away from God and His ways. The prophets also warned us concerning the leaders of these apostate churches, where evil priests set themselves up as the authority of God, where pastors sugarcoat the truth about sin, death, and hell, and where pagan traditions usurp the commandments of God. This is what the Lord, the God of Israel, says about the shepherds who tend His sheep. Woe to you, shepherds, who feed yourselves instead of your flocks. Shouldn't shepherds feed their sheep? You have not taken care of the weak. You have not tended the sick or bound up the injured. You have not gone looking for those who have wandered away and are lost. Instead, you have ruled them with harshness and cruelty. For the shepherds have become senseless. They do not seek the Lord. Although these wicked shepherds have led many astray, God promised to send us the true shepherd that would lead His people in these last days. And, like the remnants of the past, we must endure many trials. We will be gleaned and sifted, refined in the fire to prove our faith. And so it was that God's good shepherd appeared and laid down His life for His sheep. Jesus said, "My sheep listen to my voice. I know them, and they follow me." Now, someone may ask, with so many denominations of Christianity, how do we know if we're following this true shepherd? That's a great question. Jesus Himself said that many will come in His name, claiming that they represent the true Christ, and by doing so will deceive many people. Are we not living in a time where these false Christs are running rampant? Throughout my journey, I've met many people who don't recognize the Jesus of the Bible because they've been deceived by a different Jesus. Understand that the Jesus of the Bible is not a blonde-haired, blue-eyed Roman Catholic, nor is He a country Baptist good old boy. Jesus is a Hebrew, a Middle Eastern Jew. He is as gentle as a lamb, yet as ferocious as a lion. So, how can you know if you're following the right God? Simply read the Bible and ask God to reveal Himself to you. You don't need any special books or commentaries, and you certainly don't need a pope or priest to tell you. Don't even take my word for it. Read the Bible for yourself. The New Testament writers were also familiar with the prophecy of the remnant. John describes the remnant of people as those who keep the commandments of God and have the testimony of Jesus Christ. Paul quoted Isaiah saying, "Though the number of the Israelites be like the sand of the sea, only the remnant will be saved." He went on to say, "So too, at the present time, there is a remnant chosen by grace." The Jesus of the Bible calls us to acknowledge our sin, confess it to God, ask for forgiveness, and repent from our wicked ways. Friends, a time is coming and is already here when the people of God must stand together as His holy remnant. Ask yourself these questions. Do you possess the marks of the true remnant? Are you born again? Do you fear the Lord? Are you praying? Are you persecuted? Do you strive for obedience? Is your life being sanctified? And have you sworn your allegiance to God alone? Remember, brothers and sisters, we are to offer our bodies as living sacrifices, holy and pleasing to God. we are not to conform to the patterns and customs of this world, but we are to be transformed by the renewing of our minds. Then we will be able to test and approve what God's will is, His good, pleasing, and perfect will for our lives. Our journey continues in the upcoming episodes as we discuss things like the Sabbath, baptism, holidays, modesty, the food laws, and what it means to be set apart unto God. May God bless you.